right, so today we are going to go ahead. We have an order for 2 of these, and we have another order for 1 of these. Now I just did trim these down into the circle for them. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. And we need 3 of these. This is the actual backing for it. So we'll go ahead and put this on. And that goes right here. Make sure you can see that in the camera. I'll do this flip sideways for you guys. Okay. And then we put the number 1 dad on it like this. All right, we're going to go ahead and do 2 orders today. The first order is for 2 of these in our 1 1/4 pin back buttons. And then we also have an order for this cute little guy. That's also in the 1 1/4 pin back button. And so we start off with putting the backing in here. And then we're going to go ahead and put the actual printed design here. And then we come over here and grab as the covers. We put 1 of those on the top. And we squish that down as hard as you can. Okay? And then you move this. And then we're going to go ahead and actually put the backing on it. Okay, we put that in there. And then you squish that as hard as you can. Okay. And there is the first one. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? And you've got your little pin back. There you go. That is the first one. All right, I just finished out the second one. So we have these 2 for our customer. Cute little 1 1/4. These are pin back buttons, so you can pin them directly on shirt, backpack, lanyard, you name it. Really, really cute. And we'll get those sent out to the customer tomorrow. And now we have 1 more. Let's go ahead and get that started. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our backing down. We have the cute little dragon design. Sure there's no dust on that. Put that one right smack in there. And that does have to go in sideways. So all the designs actually go in sideways. And then we put the clear topping on it. And we're going to squish this down. And then we're going to grab our backing. Make sure we put that on there correctly. Okay, hold on. This one has just a little nick right there. So I'm going to go ahead, and you do have to be careful with these because of the fact that they do come with these little nips. So I'm just going to go ahead and carefully get that taken off. Make sure it's not sharp. All right. Make sure you put this in the correct direction. Perfect. Okay. And then push. Ta-da! And look at that. Always be yourself unless you can be a dragon. Then always be a dragon. And that is also in the 1 1/4 with a little backing. You can put that as well on pretty much any cloth or anything that are attached to. So, yeah. Now we'll go ahead and get these packaged up for a customer.